Do you want to know how you can log into your FBC Mortgage account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your FBC Mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, and in the Google search bar, search for FBC Mortgage Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen, and shortly after, you will be leaded to the FBC Mortgage LLC login page. You can write down your username, your password. You can hide and unhide the password anytime, and click Remember My Username if you want your browser to remember your username the next time you log in. And then click on I agree to the user terms and policy. If you want to read the user terms and policy, you can click these links and then read the do's and don'ts of FBC Mortgage. After writing your username, password, and agreeing to the user terms and privacy policy, click Login, and then you can successfully log into your FBC Mortgage account. In case you don't have an account yet, click on this link which says Register your account. This way, you can create an account for yourself quite easily. And if you don't remember your username or have forgotten your password, click on these links with which you can reset your password or your username easily. This was a video on how you can log into your FBC Mortgage account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and enjoy.